Hello children, in this class let's study about 0 and 1 multiplication. Means when we have a number which is multiplied with 0, what will be the answer, and when it is multiplied by 1, what will be the answer. If you see your textbook, we have a question like this. What is 5 multiplied by 1? What is 5 multiplied by 1? We will get the answer. If you observe your textbook, we have 5 plates. We have 5 plates in your textbook, and in each plate we have a piece of cake. Right? One piece of cake in one plate. So how many groups are there? How many groups are nothing but how many number of plates are there in the picture? So how many groups? We have 5 groups, nothing but 5 plates are there. In each group, how much means how many cakes are there in one group? How many are there? There is one piece of cake in one plate. So I will write 1 in each group. So what will be the multiplication fact? Total number of cakes or multiplication fact, we will get 5 multiplied with 1. So we will get 5 ones are is 5. By this, what you should know is, what is the number when multiplied by 1 gives same number. Whatever may be the number, other than 5 also. If it is 21 multiplied by 1, answer is 21. Whatever may be the first number, if it is multiplied by 1, you will get the same answer. That one you need to keep in mind. Then coming to the 0. When coming to the 0, 5 multiplied by 0 gives how much they are asking. Now the example. So there are 5 plates. On each plate, no cake is there. So how many groups are there? Number of groups are as usual 5. So how many cakes are there in one group? One group has no cakes. That's why I am writing 0. One group is not having any cake on each plate. So 0. What will be the total or multiplication fact? That is 5 into 0, right? 5 into 0, we will get 0 itself. There are no cakes, no piece of cake is there in each plate. Any plate also cake is not there, so 5 into 0 is 0. By this, 0 is multiplied to any number, 0 itself will be the answer. 0 is multiplied to any number, 0 will be the answer. For example, any number you can take, that is 12 multiplied by 0, in 0 you will get, or else 9 multiplied by 0, we will get 0 itself. Whatever may be the number, you will get 0 itself answer. These questions you will get in the exercises. Now after 0 and multiplication, 0 and 1 multiplication, we have multiplication with the help of number line. Let's see how to multiply the numbers with the help of a number line. You have to know this method in first standard itself. Let's see one example. The number is 2 3s are. What is 2 3s are? You already know the answer. But how to do with the number line, we will see once. Still the number continues, that's why I am writing the arrow mark. So what is the first number? 2 times we have to jump, right? This can be written as 2 times 3. 2 times we have to jump 3 numbers, right? Starting with the 0. How many numbers we have to jump? 3. Number 3 we need to jump 2 times. So jump 2 times. 1 time 3 I have jumped, and the second time also I need to jump 3, right? 1 time, 2 times. So what is the final number where I stopped? That is 6. So 2 3s is 6. Like this we use the number line to multiply the number. Now let's see the questions which are in exercise. You already know this method and you can solve directly. Exercise number 3. First question is 6 2s is how much? Or else 6 times 2 they have already mentioned. 6 times 2 is dash. They are asking 6 times 2. So draw the number line 0, 1, 12. I will stop it at 12. Now 6 times we need to jump to 2 numbers. First number 2, again 2, plus 2, 2, and 2. Let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times have jumped to the number 2, and finally we are stopping at number 12. So 6 2s is 12, right? Like this you need to do. Remaining 2 questions and leave it for you to solve. Now after the number line, what we have is repeated addition. That is addition fact and multiplication fact. I have already told multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition, right? Multiplication is nothing but a repeated addition. So suppose the number is, they are asking the multiplication of the number 7 2s is how much? What we will write, as we have used in the number line, we can write the same number as 7 times 2. 7 times 2 means we have to write number 2 7 times. We have to write the number 2 7 times. That is the addition fact. We call this method of writing with the help of the addition is called as addition fact. This type of writing is called as addition fact, and this type 7 into 2 we call this as a multiplication fact. We are using the multiplication symbol, right? Cross mark symbol. This is the multiplication fact. And using the addition is the addition fact. So adding all the numbers 7 times 2, that is 7 2s is 14. Or else you can count 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 7 times. There also we get 14. That is 2 plus 2 is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. So both the answers or both methods also give same answer. Now let's see the questions which are related to this. They will be giving you the multiplication fact and ask you to write the addition fact. Exercise number 4. As we have the first question, complete the repeated addition. First main is repeated addition. What we have saw now, that one same 7 2s. This one already we have written the answer. We have to write 7 times 2. And the answer will be 14, right? 7 times 2 is 14. And the second one is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 multiplied by 5. It means 4 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 5. 4 times 5. Answer will be 5 plus 5 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. And the third one we have is 3 times 0. As I told, 0 multiplication. Any number multiplied with 0 will give answer as 0, right? 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer will be 0. How many times it may be, but answer is 0. Now solve out the next two questions. I will go to the next one, fill in the blanks and write the addition sentence. It is also similar to the first main itself. Same as the first main, only the heading is different. Same as the first main. Fill in the blanks and write the addition fact. They have given 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. This is the multiplication fact. Now what will be the addition fact? 4 times you need to write 2. Will give 8. This is the multiplication fact and this is the addition fact. Plus we are using, here multiply we are using. And the second one, 6 multiplied by 2. How much is 6 twos are? 6 twos are is 12. Can cross verify 6 times. We need to write 2. That will also give the answer as 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 8, 10, 12. Right? Next is 7 multiplied by 5. 7 5s are, and one more thing, same answer you will get even if you interchange the numbers. 7 5s are you can write, or else 5 7s also you can write. Both are same. 5 7s are is also 35. And you need to write 7 times 5. You get the answer as 35, right? If you interchange the number also, it will give same answer. There are 3 properties for the multiplication. Okay, let me recall you once. There are 3 properties. There are 3 properties for the multiplication. First one is, if you interchange the number also you get the same answer. For example, 4 3s is 12, or also you can write 3 4s are also 12. As I told, if you change the place of the question also you get the same answer. That is the first property. Just need to remember. This one is not there in your textbook, I hope, but you need to remember this. The second property is multiplication with the number 1. Any number multiplied with the 1 will give same number. Whatever may be the number. I have written 7 here. You can write 9, 12, 30 and whatever may be the number, you will get the same answer. 7 itself. And the third property says the number multiplied with 0. Any number multiplied with 0 will give the answer as 0, right? Whatever may be the number multiplied with 0 gives 0. These are the 3 properties. And the next exercise we have is multiplication with the numbers. That is a regular multiplication. Third main of the exercise. Third main of exercise 4. What is the third main? Third main is direct multiplication. direct multiplication it is. How to multiply? If you know the numbers, tables, directly you can get the answer. The first one is 3 5s. How much is 3 5s? 3 5s is 15. And the second one we have 5 2s. 5 2s is 10. Right? Learn the tables up to 10 ones and complete the third main. And the next we have is vertical addition. Vertical addition is nothing but we have written side by side here multiplication numbers. Only the difference is we will write the same thing in straight line. We will write the same multiplication in a straight line. That is called as a vertical. Vertical means nothing but straight. Straight, or you can write standing, or also you can write straight. Standing line we will call now, it is similar to the same thing. Vertical means writing the question in a straight line. 3 5s I have written in a straight line. 3 5s is 15. This is a vertical multiplication or vertical addition. Here also 5 2s can be written as 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. The next exercise is similar to that. We have only 5 questions. I will show you how to write, and that is also similar to the tables only. If you know the tables, you can easily write the answers for that. Exercise number 5, the vertical addition multiplications. See the first one, they have given 8 multiplied with 5. Normal multiplication but written in the straight line form. 8 5s is 40. Writing the tables. And second one we have is 7 5s. How much is 7 5s? 7 5s is 35. So like this you need to write, complete the next 2 questions. And the next class we will continue. Okay sir?